Hello, everyone. I'm Jordan Wicker, and today I will be doing a little video and presentation on the topic of big data. So, first off, what is big data? So, a definition I found is that big data contains is data that contains greater variety, arriving in increasing volumes and with more velocity. This is also known as the three V's. Put simply, though, big data is larger, more complex data sets, especially from new data resources. So think of like a basic data set, you've seen these in a business class or any like you've seen them in school or any at work or anywhere. And just think of those as think of a really complex one that, has a lot of valuable information. That's what big data is. So who is using big data? Many countries, especially the ones that are technologically advanced, the basic ones, the US, the more developed countries, but some developing countries also are using it. And in this presentation, I'll be focusing on China and how they are using big data for their SDG and such. So where are they using it? As I said, they're using it in many different countries, but we're gonna use where as like in what topics are they using it in, I guess. But those different areas would be medicine. They're using it to get information on medicine, agriculture as well, and also environmental protection. So right there, we could see some SDGs that could be helped with this. And I also saw that it is being used in gambling, if anyone wants to know that. So why are they using big data? So this critical data back trends on China's economy and society, and they're showing important trajectory arcs that China is on currently. And these data points can really help, fix certain policies and problems that can make these trajectories better for the country itself. So when are they using it? To conduct many different research projects and find out valuable information about their country and the path it is on, both technologically and just policy wise. It can really be used for a lot of different things. So how is it being used for SDGs? It identifies, analyzes, and introduces top scholarly research on China, and it teases out the most relevant findings. So the most relevant ones, it puts them forward. And for today's issues, it can help with many SDGs. As I said, it's being used for medicine, um, environmental protection. So any environmental SDG that we have, which there are a couple, could be helped with big data. And two truths and a lie, big data is technology or involves technology. China uses big data. And lastly, the USA doesn't use big data. Which one's the lie? You tell me. Have a nice night.